Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Aman, and today in this video I will be showing you how about this Pure Sound Pro Second battery powered soundbar with remote speaker. It is a portronics. I have done some research on this company and found a very good review on this company. So let's check its features: Bluetooth, FM radio, AUX, micro SD, support USB card reader, remote control is to the. You can check the power output voltage, and if you will see the price of it, it's 3000 rupees, and it is here. The barcode is there. Can interface to any possible device. So let's open it. This is Assassin's Creed book. Yes. Here's what we got. Here is the remote of it. You will not get a battery with it, so you have to buy a AAA size battery. What we got here? Let's use a manual of it. Let's take a quick look on it. What we got here? All important features and other thing, maintenance, etc. What we got here is a AUX cable, a USB cable. What all this we get here? Let's check. So it's the box. Let's keep that here. In the speaker you will get this, which is nicely plugged. You can see it's plastic. Portronics logo is here. Here are the keys: forward, motors, volume up and down, back, what's here, stand, and here your on off micro USB, AUX. From here you can connect to other devices, and here is power button.
Bluetooth mode.
If you will on it, it will just make a sound. From here you can change the mode.
FM mode.
You can connect to radio as well.
Bluetooth mode.
I have done to Bluetooth mode, and you can change the mode to various devices like Bluetooth mode. And if you want to connect to USB, you don't have to press that mode, cause it will automatically do that for you. And after switching on, you will see a blue LED flash there. Electronics. So let me tell you how to connect this to my phone to and this is my phone. Let's take this USB cable and open it. Wait a minute, I will just. So what you gonna do is get to the back, insert this cable here, one thing you have to notice that you have to turn your USB cable back and then insert it and connect to your phone. And insert this to phone. If you will check that my phone is connected to it and it's charging here. Let's play a song. When the song is playing, the song is playing, first you have to change the mode
FM mode.
and then click on this. Wait a minute, sorry, I have done. You should not connect. Use your. You can connect your phone using Bluetooth.
PC USB mode.
PC USB mode is connected. You have to change. I thought that it would be. This cable would be only working with your PC, desktop or computer. So
Bluetooth mode.
so remove this. I have to use that AUX cable to connect my phone. Let me untie it. First time I have opened it, so I thought that it would be
OX in mode.
See, I've inserted this cable now, and this has identified that I inserted AUX. Let's now check this. So you need two double A size batteries, sorry, triple A size batteries, and I have inserted. So let's check how this remote is working. So it don't have the remote don't have play or pause button, so I would use this. Wait a minute, I think here is one also button here. This arrow, it's tapping this. Let's check why this is not. So let's check the working of the remote. This is volume up button. This is volume down button. And this is pause and play button. See, I have clicked it and it started playing the song. It paused. This is more button.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode. OX in mode.
And this is next song play button. Probably it's not working because I have connected to phone. If you connect to USB, pen drive or anything, card reader, etc., you can use this button. And if you want to directly use Bluetooth mode, then click this. See,
Bluetooth mode.
click on Bluetooth mode is on. So this is the Portronics Pure Sound Pro Second. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I will be making review on this too, cause I'm a great fan of this Assassin's Creed. Thank you.